Hello everyone, these all are my July projects. I know this video is too late, but it's okay. I made these two diaries. One is in pink theme and second one is in green theme. I like the second one the most and I decorated the front page of the diary, and then comes the page which I made. First one is plain and second one added with flowers, and this one I used actually in one of my projects, and this paper is in green theme. Just look at the thickness. Then comes the green paper with some flowers and leaves. You can add flowers, leaves and tea tree leaves also. These are the two. And then comes the green paper with this is the most thick paper that I made, and this one is a bit larger with flowers and tea tree leaves on it. And if you want the tutorial of these flowers, please comment below. And then comes the folder. This one took a lot of time and efforts. Just look at the elements, embellishments I made on this. Actually, this was the first folder that I made, and it has a lot of storage. I stored many things, but you cannot see in this video. And then comes this project. Actually, this one is still incomplete. I just finished the front page of the diary, and it is still incomplete. So if you want the tutorial, please comment below. Back is plain, but I used bills inside. Just look at the bills. It's looking amazing and I love it very much. It is still incomplete. I'm going to complete it sooner. Then comes my journal. I made one journal in the theme of blue and second one is junk journal. So please tell me if you like both of them or only one. This one is blue in theme. I use tag of clothes and Pokemon cards also. As you can see, then I made small envelope with transparent sheet, and the second one is journal theme. Actually junk journal. I use again tags of cloths and sweet wrapper and chocolates wrapper. I use many things in this junk journal. I hope you will like this video, and tell me in the comments if you want tutorial of paper and the diary. Bye.